Hi guys, today's roleplay will be called the snowstorm. Okay guys, let's start with the roleplay. Okay, I gotta get some snacks. Okay, I guess I'll get these snacks. Okay. Beep, beep, snowstorm. Beep, beep, snowstorm. Oh, it's probably not bad. I'll just go upstairs with my girlfriend and then we'll just turn on like the fireplace and eat our snacks. Beep, beep, snowstorm. I'm gonna turn off the TV. Some glitter snacks. I only have some water upstairs. And look, I'm bringing some salt in case it gets bad. So yeah. How did I just... Never mind. Okay, babe, I got some snacks. Have you heard the news? Yeah, babe, I'm scared. Don't. We have snowstorms all the time. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna go get some water, okay? Oh, are you serious? We don't have any water? Oh. I mean, babe, I'm gonna go, actually, I'm gonna go get some water. Okay. Okay, I got, some water for us and some of our people bobas. So yeah, let's go. I need to close the fridge door. Hey, I got some water and boba for us. Okay, sit down. Oh, the best. Okay, let's put our food all. Wait, why can't I take the food? Never mind. Just. Let's just put something cozy on to watch. Or do I watch the merchant? The merchant. Okay. I heard this is the scariest movie like ever made. It's fine, don't worry. Oh look, it's starting to snow a little. Oh yeah. It's getting really cold though. It's okay. Should I go bring the blankets? Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, I got the blankets. I'm gonna go back now. Oh, here you go. There's the blankets. That. Why did he take it? Oh, that's much better. Wow. I got jump scared. Funny. Anyways, babe, I'm getting kind of hungry. You can eat some of the chips I brought if you want. Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna take one of the banana things. Cause I'm not gonna open the packet because like I don't want to waste it. Just pretend she took one, okay? They was yummy. I know, right? Tell me about it. They're like literally my favorite snacks. Did you say cheesy pops are worse than that? Wait, where's that? Wait, stop. Okay, anyway, let's just go back. So, our dogs are wearing warm clothes. We have blankets, we're wearing sleeping bags. We have food, but we might need more. And that's okay, because our house is not in like the snowy side. It's like it's just snowing a little, but it's not like really like a really bad snowstorm like the people in the snowy area. And yeah. Guys, sorry I paused the roleplay. My grandpa was asking me something. Okay, anyways. Okay, babe, so, we're actually kind of good. But, babe, we're gonna need more food. I'm gonna go get some, okay? Okay, babe. Hold the dogs, okay? Okay. I'll keep the blanket. You can hold... Yeah, you can hold the dogs and I'll keep the blankets over there. If you need the blankets, just put the dogs on the couch and then take the blankets. I'm gonna install some heating installations downstairs if a snowstorm ever happens again because I never thought there would be a snowstorm on like the sunny side. Oh, that elevator was fast. Hey guys, I just realized something. These elevators are like faster than like all the other houses I have because like I've like moved to like a billion houses in this game. Like moved back and forth, another house back and forth. Like I've moved to like lots of houses in this game, and this is probably the fastest house I've ever like been to. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some food because I forgot to restock their fridge. Okay guys, I got him like these like sandwiches for them to eat so they have more fruit and some pink lemonade. Okay, let's start with the role play again. Okay, I got some food. Let's go. Guys, sorry if my voice isn't like deep enough for the boy. I'm just not in the mood to make a deep voice. Okay, that was something weird to say, but okay, whatever. Okay, let's go. Babe, I got us some more food. Yum, those are my favorite sandwiches. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we have a lot of food. That's so good. What the heck? Why the... Wait, what? Anyways, yummy. I'm gonna get another banana piece. Hold the dogs. Those are so good. I know. Wait, I'm gonna put that. Beep, beep. Wait, my throat. Beep, beep. Wait, did I say tornado? Wait, did I say... I'm gonna replay that at the end. Okay. Beep, beep. Snowstorm warning. Why the heck did I sound British for a second? Beep, beep. Snowstorm warning. Beep, beep. Snowstorm warning. The snowstorm has spread even more to the Summerside. Guys, pretend their like street name is like Summerside, okay? Oh my gosh, that's their street name. You don't have to cry that much. Okay. Stop! Awkward. Anyways, I'm gonna eat a Subway sandwich. Thank you. Guys, wait, actually, they're just gonna eat it, okay? Did you just take the Subway sandwich, like all of it? That was my favorite flavor. Wait, that's not my favorite flavor. Thank God. The other one is. You better not eat the other one. Okay, I'm sorry. Hold this. Hold the things hold the dogs for a second. I'm gonna eat my favorite flavor. That's the best thing I've ever eaten. Okay, guys. I'm starting to lose ideas for this roleplay, so sorry if it gets kind of boring. Okay, okay. Babe, I really need a poopy dookie. Ew, Mason, just go. Okay. Ew, I can smell it from here. I need my perfume. Ew, I'm gonna throw up. Ew, I need my perfume. Ew. It finally smells better. Oopsies. Mason. That smells amazing. Ew, that smells bad. Just like your diarrhea. Dang! Anyways. I'm hungry. Just eat. They eat all the food. Why was she sleeping for a second? Okay, guys, that will be the end of the roleplay. Boy!